Now we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 11. Let me show you the rounded rectangle tool. So we have the regular rectangle right here. If you right click on the same toolbox, M is the shortcut for the rectangle tool, by the way. So when you can see it, press M, then right click on the toolbox. And here you can select the rounded rectangle tool. And this gives you rounded corners by default, but the functionality is the same. So you have these circles and you can do that on a regular rectangle tool as well. The only difference here is, oh, I'm getting these animations again. Once more. So left click here on the canvas, and the only difference is for the rounded rectangle tool you have width, height, and now the corner radius is part of this menu as well. But like I've shown you in the last couple of videos, we also have that for regular rectangles above right there. And then additionally we have it under shape where you can adjust the corners individually. So it's a tool that's nice to have, but you don't actually need it when you know how to use the top function here for creating rounded corners. Still, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.